Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So I just got back from work and found this in the post box. So this is an American 5100, but it was pinned by steel pinning, so it's a challenge lock, and it was sent to me by John, Padlock Sport. And as you know, I can't resist my Americans, so I thought we'd give this one a go straight off. So we have a 5-pin key, but as we know, these can be pinned for 6 even with the 5-pin key, but it's all working. So all locked up. So let's jump in here, give it a go. See if we can get into it and see what steel Pinnings has put inside it. Right, so we'll start at the front. Click on 1. Tiny click on 2. Click on 3. Little click on 4. Click on 5, and we do have a 6th pin, which we've got a click and a bit of movement on the core. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing's. Oh, just about lost the tension wrench there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a little bit of counter rotation and a click, but nothing more from 5, 6. Right, 1 we just got another click out of. 2, 3 we've got counter rotation. And there we go, we're open. Quite a nice bit of feedback from there. So let's get this out of the way. Let's have a look inside. So we should have a screw, which we have. And anti-bypass. We've got the key, so let's get this locked up to start with. And there's the clip. Right, as it's a challenge, let's get the key in, see if I can get a shim in there. Because it does feel a little bit scrunchy when we try and turn the key. The shim doesn't want to go in. Have I got a better shim somewhere? That one's probably a bit large. see if we can get that to go through with it. There we go. So we have definitely got the 6, and it looks like we have a T-pin there as well. You see in the top there. So let's tip these out. We've definitely got some threading as well. So we've got a spoolie one in 1. A lot of serrations on number 2. There's 3, 4. It looks like a bit of a T-pin with serrations. Spool with serrations and serrations. So I'll do a close up of the pins in a minute, but we're looking there. I think we've got 1, 2, 4 and 5 with serrations, sorry, threads, and well, there's definitely a lip in there on all of them. There's a lip in there on 6 and 3, and all the others seem threaded. So if we can actually see that little lip in there, you can just see a mark there. I can definitely feel it with the pick. So let's have a look at the top. Right, number 1, weak spring, and a very short serrated pin. Number 2, another short pin and a different spring. Number 3 looks like a copy of an Asa spool, but on an American padlock pin scale. Right, let's get these others from the back. Another weak spring. And that is a pin in pin. That one's not coming out, but it looks like another pin in pin. And that one's not coming out either. You can see that in there, they're actually, let's get, the springs aren't quite enough to get them up above the shear line. So there we go. I think the springs could probably do with a little bit of a stretch before I put it back together. And looking at this, I think we've got every single chamber threaded by the looks of it. We can just about see in the top there. And I think we can just about see down there. So there we go, nice little lock. Give you a close up of the pins, and we've got pinning pins in there as well, which isn't the easiest thing to do when the pins are this small in the first place. So great job on those pins, and nice lock to pick. So thanks for sending it, John. Thanks for pinning it, Steel Pinnings. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye.